Okay, and welcome back. This week saw Hover introduce a new automated flight mode called Spin 360. It's basically a variation on Hover, but as the name suggests, it allows the drone to spin 360 or 720 degrees clockwise or anti-clockwise, depending on which one you want, at 3 different heights, being low, mid or high. Okay, to set up the flight mode, because it doesn't appear straight away, you need to go into settings and then change flight mode. Scroll down to the bottom and you'll see 360 spin. Select that, click on save, go back into your flight settings, and then you can see 360 spin on the bottom. And I said the options you got is the altitude, high, medium or low, clockwise or counterclockwise, 1 or 2 rotations, the camera movement speed. Now another thing you got is the rotation wait time, which is between 2, 5 or 10 seconds. So it'll wait that duration before it starts to record, which will give you time to actually get back into the frame and where you want to be. And like I said, the one thing you want to remember is when you are filming, try and start it off 180 degrees from where you actually want the main action to be. So it gives the drone the chance to rotate nicely into it and then back out of whatever you're trying to film. Okay, well, as you can see, the drone is doing a revolution of 360 degrees, but I don't need to be in the footage with a controller controlling the drone and spoiling it. Although I didn't think this would be much of an upgrade, when you think about it, it is quite useful. If you've got a kids party or a group of friends out and about together and you put the drone in the middle of everybody and you want to film everybody going on, it means that you can actually get involved in the action rather than be just the bystander controlling the drone. So it is quite a useful addition to the flight modes that you've already got. Okay, well, I hope you found it useful. If you did, give me a like, a follow and a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Thanks very much.